world started saying that, hey, because of YC, we got noticed. So some of the large payment companies, so founders of them reached out and said, why don't you join us? Why don't you build India for us? And so on. I think and I think some of those were actually exciting because the companies were really good. I think what kept us going is, India is very, very hard and very different. So when we met a lot of these companies, global companies, I felt they didn't understand how complex India is. And the worry from that perspective was not that what will happen today, but our worry was that 2 years, 3 years out, the amount of investment India needs. So India is a massive opportunity today. But at 2014, 2015, if you looked at India, like the payment volume was $60 billion, right? The total GMV. That's what I put it in my business plan. My YC application, I put the payments market of India is $60 billion. Today, Razorpay alone does $180 billion, right? So that is the way the market has grown in last 10 years, right? So it's so hard to plan for India. Now, if I told a company that, hey, for a $60 billion market, we need $500 million to build, it's going to be very hard to convince them. But if somebody understood that a $60 billion market is going to scale up massively, right, and there is a lot of opportunity that it's going to have. Even today, I feel 180 is very small. India is going to be a trillion plus market, at least in payments, right? But it's very hard to explain that to a global player who's not seen that, because most other markets in the world are not growing at that pace. So I think for us, it was very clear that if we have to solve India, we have to think a very long-term perspective. And if we were able to consider that, we need to have a partner who's going to be able to understand that that is a long-term play of India. And we didn't find that. So I think for us, the answer became very clear that unless we feel that what we want to achieve, we can achieve faster with somebody else, there's no reason